Hello everybody. Today we are going to cook broccoli and beef stir fry. Beef. There are about 400 grams of beef that I slice it into strips. To cook the beef, I want to marinate the beef just a little bit. Okay. What we need is a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or raw sugar. You can use white sugar, they're all fine. Mix it, and we add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Generally speaking, when we marinate the beef, we leave it for a few minutes just to tenderize the beef. We have our broccoli, which I quickly blanch earlier. Why we blanch a broccoli is to keep the green when we stir fry it. 1 onion slice. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 30 ml of water. 3 slices of ginger, slice it very thin strip. 2 cloves of garlic. 400 grams of beef cut in strips. Now it's marinated with Shaoxing wine, sesame seed oil, cooking oil, and sugar. We heat up our wok. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. What we want to do is quickly stir fry the beef in a very high heat just to seal the beef. First thing first, quickly stir fry our beef just to seal the meat. You don't want to cook the beef straight. You just want to have the beef seared. To take the beef out. Our wok is nice and clean. One tablespoon of cooking oil. Heat it up. Checking if the oil is hot. Wait for the bubble to come out. The oil is hot enough. Garlic and ginger. Onion. Once you can start smelling the aroma of onion and ginger, our broccoli. Our broccoli is pretty brown. We don't need to cook it for too long. That helps to keep the broccoli green in color. It is cooking. We'll put in our beef. the juice that it comes out. You can hear it sizzling. Excellent. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And about 80 ml of water. Let it slightly simmer for a bit. And our starch water. Make it nice and thick. Finally, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. We'll put the sesame seed oil last because it has a very low boiling point and it tends to get burned quite quickly. Please enjoy.